Let us see exercise 2.6. In this we will see here the multiplication 0.2 into 6. Decimal points we are going to multiply. 0.2 into 6. How to multiply this? 6 2s are 12, as it is we will write, and here 0 is there. 6 zeros are 0 plus 1. So after, see this, after how many points we have the point here? After one number. So here also after one number we need to put the point. 1.2 is the answer. See the one more example, sixth one, 211.02 into 4. How to multiply that? 4 2s are 8, 4 zeros are 0, and 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And here, how many, after the point, how many numbers are there? 1 and 2. So same thing, 1 and 2 you leave and put the point there. Okay. Now see the next one. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeters and breadth is 3 centimeters. Area of a rectangle formula L into B. So length is 5.7 and breadth is 3. Multiply these 3, you will get, these 2 you will get 17.1 square centimeters. The last one is 0.5 into 10. How to multiply this if 0.5 is there? So 10 5s are 50, you can multiply directly. 50 means 0 will be here, 5 will be here. Now 10 zeros are 0, 0 plus 5, 5. So 50 will come after the, see after point how many numbers are there? 1. So after, see here, after one number you should put the point here. 5.0 is the answer. Clear children? Now see 2.7. Here if you see, division is there. 2.6 full we have multiplication, here it is division. Look at this children. 0.4 divided by 2. How to divide this? 0.4 divided by denominator, we know that nothing is there means it's 1. So 0.4 into, when you are changing division into multiplication, the fraction will be changed into reciprocal. That I explained, you know, 2.4. Okay. See, 2 by 1 will become 1 by 2. So now do the cancellation. While doing this, 0.4, how to write this into a fraction? I'll tell you one easy process. Just see, after the point how many numbers are there, that you should count. After point only one digit is there. After the point only one digit is there, that is 4. So you need to put 4 by 4 as it is, because whatever it is there, that should go to the numerator. And after the point how many numbers are that you should see and write the denominator. After the point I have only one digit, so I am going to put 10, that is 10. Okay. One more example I will give you children. Listen. So 4 by 10 into 1 by 2. If you do the cancellation, 2 2s are 4, and here again 2 1s are 2 5s are. The total answer will be 1 by 5. If you change that into mixed fraction, you will get, sorry, not mixed fraction. If you change that into decimal points, you will get 0.2. Clear children? See here, 14.49 divided by 7. 14.49 means, how can we write? 1449 means totally 1449 by, because I am removing the point, so I am reading 1449. Otherwise we should read 14.49. Okay children? So I am removing the point. After the point how many digits are there? How many numbers are there? 1 and 2. 2 numbers are there. Put 2 zeros here in denominator's place. Whatever it is there, the number that will go to the numerator. 1449 by, because of these two numbers. After the point 2 digits are there, so I am taking 2 numbers. It's actually the division children, but I am explaining you in an easy way. Into 1 by 7. If you do the cancellation, you will get 207 by 100. That is, if you see here, no need to do the division again. How many zeros are here? 2 zeros are here. So after 2 numbers, you can put the point. From right side, you need to count. Here 2 zeros. After 2 numbers, that is from right side, 1 and 2. After 2 numbers, put point. Then you will get 2.07. Clear children? See one more example. 272.23 divided by 10. By removing point, you will get how many zeros after the point? How many numbers are there? 1 and 2. So 2 zeros, that is 100. Divided by 100 and same number will come without point. Into, this is actually division, it is 10 by 1. In division it is 10 by 1. In multiplication it will be 1 by 10. Reciprocal of 10 is 1 by 10. So if you see here, there is no chance to do the cancellation. Multiply 27,223 into 1 is equal to 27,223. 100 into 10, 1000. And here, how many zeros are there, children? 1, 2 and 3 zeros. So from right side, 1, 2 and 3. After these 2, you need to put the point. 27.223. Clear? 27.223. Now see the next one. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 kilometers in 2.4 liters. 4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So we need to find out how much distance it will cover in 1 liter of petrol. First we need to find out, we need to write down the distance covered in 2.4 liters of petrol is 43.2 kilometers. So distance covered in 1 liter petrol means what we should do? We should divide these two. 43.2 by 2.4 liters. If you do that, see here clearly, reciprocal of this we need to write, but before that we need to change this into fractions. 43.2, after point how many numbers are there? 1 number, so 1 0. And same number 432, by removing the point. To remove the point you need to write the denominator. Here 2.4 is there, 24. So I removed point here, so instead of point I am writing the number here, denominator. After the point 4 is there, so 1 digit, so 1 0, that is 24 by 10. So reciprocal of these two is 432 by 10 into 10 by 24. See this? Into means 10 will go to numerator, 24 will come to denominator. Reciprocal of 24 by 10. So if you do the cancellations, you will get 18 kilometers. Clear, children? I took 6th table and I did the cancellation. Try to do with the 6th table.